Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a Glossybox unboxing. So if you're new here, welcome. I'm Chanel. And I do have a lot of beauty subscription boxes, which basically are monthly subscriptions, where you get goodies for like a fixed price, but you never know what they're gonna be. So this is Glossybox. I mean, the boxes are so cute. And yeah, so this one's $21 a month. I haven't really had any good ones since I've had it, and I think it's been like almost 6 months, but I am still, giving it a try. Hopefully there will be a hidden gem somewhere in here. So, yeah, this is for the month of January 2018, so it's the first box of the year. So yeah, let's see what we got. So I open it up, and it has the bow, which is cute. This is a little card in here. So this says velveteyewear.com. So it says from us to you, a $25 gift card. So it's saying Velvet for Glossybox. Celebrate with Velvet Sunnies. And it says shipping to US is free. So it's a $25 gift card. I don't know how much the glasses cost, but I guess it'll be $25 off. So I mean, that's worth checking out. And it comes in a cute little, I've never heard of Velvet eyewear. I'll see if I can maybe screenshot something and put it in and see like around how much the sunglasses are. So yeah, I guess this theme is called Fresh Face. They do give a lot of skincare stuff in Glossybox, which is kind of a reason why I'm not too much of a fan. So then it comes with this pink paper. I mean, the box, honestly, they're very cute, like the packaging and everything. It's just the content. I'm just like right here, I already know I'm not going to like this, but we'll take a look and see. So first thing I see is this Buxom Big T's Plumping Mascara. So, I mean, this doesn't look that big. Glossybox is $21, so I don't understand why this isn't full size, but, oh, actually it does look kind of big. So let's take a look at the wand. I don't actually own anything from Buxom, so I couldn't tell you. Okay, this is not all that. I don't know. I'm not gonna put this on, but yeah. So this is the Buxom Plumping Mascara. So supposedly it plumps. So yeah. That's the first thing we got. I mean, you could just tell, like, I'm not even excited about these boxes. Like, I like Sephora Play more than this. And okay, this looks like makeup. So let's take a look at this. This says Steve Laurent lip gloss. Okay, so this is a lip gloss. I mean, I love the rose gold packaging. It's like almost coppery. Okay, it says Dusty Rose lip gloss, and this looks very like very big, like a good size. So let's see. Okay, I'm not a fan of putting my finger in stuff, but we'll take a look. Oh, okay, it's very pigmented. Let's swatch it and see. Okay. Alright. I mean, that's a lip balm. Lip gloss, lip balm. Yeah, so there's the color. Okay. I mean, this is alright. Probably give this away, but, well, I already swatched it, but who cares if it's swatched one time? People still want makeup. Okay, oh, here we go. Marula Oil Transforming Hair Serum. See, hair products, to me, because a lot of them aren't for black people hair, so, like, this just, I don't know. Well, it says that it's moisturizes, smooths, and repairs and protects, so maybe it is. Apply to ends of damp or dry hair, dispensing lightly. Okay, so you don't have to, it's a serum, but it's not like you sit under the dryer with it. And this is from the brand Theory. So this looks like a pretty good size. It's actually 0.34 ounces. I have no idea if that's full size. Let's smell it. I don't know what, it doesn't really smell like anything. Okay, so I'll check this out. Hair oil, I mean, can't really go wrong with it. Okay, so this is Dr. Botanicals Moroccan Rose Superfood Facial Oil. Now this I will use because I do have dry skin. So let's see here. Use 2 to 3, oh that's in Espanol. Use 2 to 3 drops to cleanse skin. Moroccan Rose Superfood Facial Oil. So that looks like a pretty big size here. This is actually 1 ounce. So it comes with the dropper. Actually, I still have my foundation on, so I'm not going to put this on. Oh, it smells like rose. Okay. All right. I'll use it. So this is the Dr. Botanicals Moroccan Rose Superfood Facial Oil. See, like, this is stuff I just would, like, never buy, you know? Alright, so the last thing I got was Lumine Lahede Source Finland Arctic Luminescence Purity Dewdrops Hydrating Eye Gel. So this is... helps hydrate the delicate eye area, enriched with pure Arctic spring water and potent birch sap. This fragrance-free formula works to reduce the appearance of puffiness and under eye circles. So, okay. So this is helping to reduce the appearance of puffiness and under eye circles. I do have dark circles, like here I have dark circles. So this I will try. I will try this and see. Let's see how big the bottle is. This is 0.5 ounces, so it's a half an ounce, 15 milliliters. Okay, let's see. Let's check it out. Birch sap and Arctic spring water. Okay. 93% naturally derived, formulated without parabens, mineral oil, and fragrance. Okay. All right. Yeah, stuff like this is stuff I just would never buy. Okay, so this is, I guess it goes under your eye. Okay, so a lot of skincare in this box this month. I mean, if I knew this stuff was in here, would I have purchased the box? No. But, I mean, sometimes you find hidden gems, so I'm just going to keep it, because Glossybox, you get a lot of full-size stuff, I must say. Let's check out the prices on this stuff. So, okay, the Dusty Rose Lip Balm thing is $22. What? The Purity Dewdrops for the under eye are $14.99. This, apparently, the Rose Facial Oil, apparently is full size, and it's vegan certified, and it's $58.50. So, I guess right then and there you got your, you got your money's worth. The Tease Plumping Mascara from Buxom is $22, full size. The hair oil, Marula Hair Oil Serum is $26, but the full size is it's 3.4 ounces. So, if you're wondering what I'm reading, it's the Glossybox little insert. Yeah, so I guess, there's nothing wrong with skincare. Skincare can be very expensive. But it's just like I prefer a lot of makeup items. So to me, this isn't like the best box, but I still keep it because like you can get a lot of gifts out of here. Like I was giving out some stuff I got in my glossy boxes for Christmas to people like for Christmas, like the hair stuff, like the botanicals and all that. I was like, no, I'm giving this away for Christmas. So yeah, so I'm keeping this one for now. maybe for another couple months and see. So yeah, so if you get Glossybox, make sure you leave a comment down below. Let me know what you got. I wonder, I'm curious if everyone gets the same stuff, because this does seem catered to me, like dark circles under the eye, you know, dry skin, dry hair. So I was like, I don't know, maybe this is personalized. I don't know. But yeah, I'm curious to see what everyone else got in their Glossybox. So until the next video, bye. Make sure you subscribe.